Hi viewers, welcome back and let's get into another session. In this video we'll be getting data out of the database and display it in our chat box in this area, which is like this chat text area div, which is empty. It is around here. So I've made two files for the getting data and then delete the data from the table. So we'll be doing the get chat first. Select data from the database. In the last video we have already did a little bit database here, but we mostly need, maybe we'll, let's copy and paste because we'll be repeating all this. Let's copy all whole PHP file and we will see what we need and what we don't need. So for getting data we don't need this, we need connection, we don't need this, so don't need this. Okay, in this one we have a connection with our database, and next we have SQL command. Our SQL command insert of instead of insert we will say select star from chat app. That's our table name. Select star from chat app, or maybe order by descending, order by ID and descending. It will show the latest message on the top. We don't need binding values because we are not inserting anything, we are selecting now, so there is no risk of SQL injection. So we remove these what we don't need, and what we have here SQL, and then run these commands after connecting with and prepare SQL and then execute. At the end what we need a while loop here. Actually we say another variable call, we can call it row or whatever, because we are getting rows from the database, we will call it row. Row is equal to run and then this arrow sign, and then say run fetch, so fetch and PDO fetch associative arrays assoc, and then curly brackets. This is our condition. Every row will bring the associative arrays back in this variable. So let's call it echo first array, we'll call it our maybe messages. Let's fetch our messages first. Okay, save. Let's see if our messages cards chat app MSG and name. We'll bring the messages first. Let's see. Select, so display the messages. Let's go back to our file here. Here we set the interval. In an interval we need to put two parameters, can code an interval. In an interval we can set the time every 1 second, or maybe 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds. What we're doing here, if we're running a function, always, we write function, we always write like this. And let's put into the second line. So a little bit clear. What we are saying here, selecting our where we are displaying in this chat text. So we are selecting chat text dot load. We're loading the file get chat in commas actually chat get chat dot php. What we are saying here, we are setting interval function here. We're loading the whatever the data is into the get chat dot php. After every 2 seconds, without refreshing, it will be displayed here. Save it here, refresh it. Is there any data inside our, yes, there is a data. So you should get echo while save, set interval, get chat.php. Oh, sorry, we made a little mistake here. We select like this. Hey, how are you? This is the message coming. We want to show the name as well, so we before this we can call row another associative array with the name of name column, which has name column. This was message, so this is associative array. But it will be showing together, so we put little sign here, and we have to put in double quotes and concatenate this with dots, so it will put a little colon before the name. So this is how you can get the data from the database. It is refreshing every time somebody is entering the data inside. Oh, it's actually second row is coming under the next, so we put the line break at the end here. A BR. Again, we have to put in the double quotes and then concatenate with dot. Now it will show in the next line every data. There you go. So this is refreshing every time. Let's get another instance the same, and say here another user is sitting and typing. Both windows are getting the message at the same time without refreshing. I'm not refreshing this page, it's getting. So that's how the chat works. Now the next video we will be talking how to clear the history, delete. See you then. Thanks.